Hi, I'm Roxana from WPEstate, and in this video I will show how to translate Elementor pages and WPResidence widgets using the WPEstate Translate plugin. When you create a multi-language real estate website, translating the page title and text is only part of the work. Your Elementor pages may also include WPResidence widgets, search forms, agent grid, property list, featured properties, and shortcodes that point to specific properties, agents, developers, or category. WPEstate Translate helps keep the translated page layout the same, lets you edit the visible text in each language, and automatically remaps IDs so the translated pages can show the correct translated properties, agents, taxonomy terms, and links. When a WPResidence page is built with Elementor, WPEstate Translate reads the Elementor widgets on that page and handles three main types of content. First, it handles text. These include titles, headings, text editor, subheadings, description, and other plain text fields exposed by the widget. Second, it handles taxonomy references. This means terms selected inside WPResidence widgets such as property action, categories, cities, areas, counties, features, and statuses. Third, it handles post IDs. If a widget points to a specific property, agent, agency, the plugin can replace the original language ID with the translated version for the current language. This is important because a translated page should not simply look translated. It should also link to the correct translated content. Let's start with the normal translation workflow. First, you need to open the source language page. You'll find pages in admin under pages. I will translate the home page. This is the original page you already created with Elementor. When you click the button to add the translation, WPEstate Translate creates a linked copy of that page and keeps the same Elementor structure. That means the sections, columns, widgets, spacing, and layout are copied from the source page. I will use automatic translation. My page is translated, but if you do not want to use automatic translation, you can just publish the page and change the content manually. I will publish the page. The translated version of the home page is now available, and I will click edit with Elementor. Now let's look at WPResidence specific Elementor widgets. Some widgets do more than display plain text. They may reference properties, agents, taxonomies, search types, or selected ID. A search form may use action categories. An agent grid may point to specific agent IDs, the original ID with the matching translated IDs in front end. So if the English page displays three properties, the translated page can show the translated version of those same properties as long as those properties translations exist. For example, in this section, in the English version, you'll have blog posts, but since at this moment the blog posts are not translated here, you'll have this no posts found. The section will be populated with blog posts as soon as the translations are available. The search for builder is especially important because it often uses taxonomy terms. The search form may include tabs for sale, rent, apartment, houses, and other categories. These tabs and filters may be stored as term IDs. On the translated front end, WPEstate Translate checks the active language and replaces those IDs with the translated taxonomy terms. That way, the visitor sees translated labels in the search form and the search uses the correct translated taxonomy terms. If a search tab still exists in the original language, check if that taxonomy term has been translated under taxonomy translation. After translating the page, publish the changes made and always check it on front end. Open the translated page in the target language, check headings, text, badges, button text, and all content. Make sure that cards show translated property tiles and link to translated property pages, and review each page section. This is the process for translating Elementor pages and setting widgets. Let's quickly review the most common issues. If a widget shows source language text, open the translated page in Elementor and edit that widget field directly. If a search form shows wrong language, check the taxonomy terms and make sure that they are translated. If an agent grid shows the original agent, create the translated agent profile. The same happens for properties, so first you need to make sure that properties, taxonomies, agents, blog posts are translated, and then check them in the translated pages. That's how you translate Elementor pages and WPResidence widgets using WPEstate Translate. The main workflow is simple. Create the translated version of the page, open it in Elementor, translate the visible widget text. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.